Welcome to our channel. If you love jewelry, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some unique, handmade bracelet designs for girls each. One crafted with creativity and love. Whether you're looking for something trendy, elegant, or fun, these bracelet designs are perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the world of handmade beauty. Handmade bracelets are more than just accessories. They're an expression of style and personality. One of the most popular designs is the beaded charm bracelet. These bracelets feature a mix of colorful beads, often combined with unique charms to create a personalized look. You can choose from wooden, glass, or acrylic beads, each offering a different aesthetic. Charms like hearts, stars, initials, and even tiny animals add a special touch, making these bracelets ideal for gifting. Whether it's a friendship bracelet or a lucky charm, beaded bracelets bring both beauty and meaning to your wrist. Another stunning handmade bracelet design is the macrame bracelet. These are created using intricate knotting techniques, resulting in a stylish and durable accessory. Macrame bracelets are a favorite among girls who love a boho or casual look. They come in various patterns, from simple braided styles to complex chevron or diamond weaves. The best part is that they can be made in any color combination, making them customizable for different outfits or even matching sets for best friends. Some designs also incorporate small beads or stones within the knots, adding an extra layer of charm. For those who love a delicate and elegant look, wire wrap bracelets are a perfect choice. These bracelets use thin, flexible wire to wrap around crystals, pearls, or gemstones, creating a sophisticated and timeless design. They can be minimalist with a single stone or more intricate with multiple layers and twists. Wire-wrapped bracelets are often handmade with birthstones, making them a meaningful gift for birthdays or special occasions. The artistry involved in bending and shaping the wire gives each piece a unique touch, ensuring no two bracelets are exactly the same. Another creative handmade bracelet style is the fabric or ribbon bracelet. These bracelets use soft materials like silk, velvet, or lace, combined with beads, charms, or embroidery to create a charming accessory. Fabric bracelets are lightweight and comfortable, making them a great option for girls who prefer soft, skin-friendly jewelry. Handmade bracelets are not just accessories. They are small pieces of art that reflect personality, creativity, and emotion. Whether you love beads, knots, wire, fabric, or resin, there's a perfect handmade bracelet for everyone. These designs are great for everyday wear, gifts, or even DIY projects. Which of these styles is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique handmade jewelry ideas.